Today, quick video. I'm in a Jeep Compass 2018. I'm about to do the cabin filter, which I already started. It's already apart, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put it back together so you can do it in reverse. Well, same way taking it off, I'm gonna do a reverse. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to reverse because I already took it off. You have to. This will be here like so. Okay, it will be here like so. Right? You have to take off this cover. That's gonna be on the side over here. See this? It'll be on the side. You have to take it off. Then it's gonna be a T20 Torx. T20 Torx. You're gonna need this. It's gonna be right here. Take that off first. Then it's gonna be 3 more on top here. 1 here. 1 here. 1 here. And there's 2 more down here. They're gonna be down here. You got to lift this down, put this down, both sides. Take those T20 Torx off. Okay, once you do that, it should drop. You should pull it down. It's gonna drop. Then you're going to see this bar over here like so. You're going to see this bar here. Then all you have to do is, that's a 10 mil. Take off the 10 mil, and that's another T20 Torx. That's gonna be right at the bottom right here. See that hole? Take that off. Then you're gonna see a screwdriver right on here. Just take it off. Then you go right here on this side. You'll see this tab that got push on like this. Pull back on like so, and it should pop out. Okay. So you do that. See, this thing is gonna be in the way. See, you can't. So you gotta push up on it. So go over it. Then you pull it out like so. Then you see this nasty cabin filter. You see this? Look at this. Ew. Not that many people know about this. So change yours ASAP if you see it like this. Look at this. It's nasty. Look at that shit. Look at that. All that shit, look, all that's coming out of there. But anyways, I'm gonna get the new one and install it. Alright, just got the new filter. Fell right here. This is the new filter right here. Boom. As you see, look at the difference. You see the difference? Big difference. Look at that. But anyways, let's put this in. Okay, now let's put the new filter in. Okay, it's the new filter. All right, that's the new filter. Now let's put the cover back on. This is the part I was talking about. I'm gonna show you how to put it back reversed wise, since I didn't show you how to put it back. I mean, to take it off the first time. So this is how you do it. You put this back like so. Boom. Make sure it's in there in that slot. Make sure it's clips on there. Good. Okay. Boom. Boom. All right. Hear the snap. It means you're good. Now the screw goes here. This is the screw. It goes here. Tighten that. Already know I got the drill to do that. No offense to hand tools, but I'm trying to make things go quicker. But anyways, now we have this bracket. This bracket that goes here. You see that? It goes here like so. Screw that in. Good. Now there's a Torx. A Torx go there. So put the Torx in there. Okay. Tighten the Torx T20 if you forgot. All right. Now we have to put in the base of the glove box. Okay, now I put this in there like so. Okay, cool. Now let's put this on here. This you see these white things, clips. It goes in those holes. Just like that. Put like that. Okay. Be sure you're gonna hear a click noise. Click. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's Torx here. Torx there. And right there. Up the top. Then now you have to put the Torx down here. Up, put it down here. Like so. Damn, is that a bug? Oh shit, what the fuck? How the hell that bug in there? Dirty. Dirty customer. Okay. So last one here. Anybody know? Gotta drill that. All of them. Don't forget the side one. There was one here. Let's do that one first since we're here. Boom. Go upstairs. Here. Here. Okay. Okay. Go down here. Okay. Last one over here. Okay, that's good. Now, let's put the actual glove box. Now, to put this in, you have to put these hooks at the bottom here. Make sure it goes there. Okay, see the hooks? Let's put it down there first. Then you just slide it up, pretty much. And you should clamp on it. Hear that noise? Should be good. Make sure down here is not loose. You see how this is loose? Don't let it be loose. Make sure you clamp it on there. You hear a click noise, and you should be done. Okay, once you do that, it should be good. Make sure it goes down. Okay. Okay. You're done with that. Should be it. Put all your stuff back in there, whatever that was in there. Do not forget to put your cover back on. Here. Boom. That's it. So, if I helped you out, you know, give me a like and subscribe. Later.